Is your HyperX NGENUITY software failing to recognize your HyperX Cloud 3 headset? This section provides quick troubleshooting steps. First, update your drivers. Go to Device Manager and update HyperX drivers, or check for updates in the NGENUITY app. Next, check your USB connection. Use a high-quality USB port and disable power management settings. Finally, reinstall the NGENUITY app and run it as administrator to resolve detection issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a primary cause of detection problems with the HyperX Cloud 3 headset. To ensure you have the latest HyperX drivers, you can update them through the NGENUITY app itself or download them directly from the official HyperX website. Regularly updating drivers is crucial for maintaining optimal device performance and compatibility with your system. A faulty USB connection can prevent NGENUITY from detecting your Cloud 3 headset. First, connect the headset to a USB 3.0 port directly on your motherboard. Second, disable power management for the device in Windows Device Manager. Third, if using a USB hub, ensure it's powered to provide stable connection. Software glitches can cause HyperX NGENUITY to fail, detecting the Cloud 3 headset. Here are app-level fixes to resolve these issues. First, reinstall the NGENUITY software. This clears any cached files or corrupted configurations that might be causing detection problems. Second, run the app as an administrator. This bypasses permission barriers that could prevent the software from accessing necessary system resources. Third, use compatibility mode, such as Windows 8 or 10. This helps if the app has compatibility issues with your current operating system. The HyperX Cloud 3 relies on a USB dongle for its wireless connection. This small device must be properly recognized by your operating system as a Human Interface Device, or HID. If detection fails, reinstalling the specific drivers for the dongle can resolve the issue. For persistent HyperX Cloud 3 detection issues, use Windows Event Viewer to check for device-related errors that can reveal the root cause. First, open Event Viewer by searching for Event VWR in the Windows search bar. Navigate to Windows Logs and select System to view system-level events. Filter or scan for events with device as the source. Look for error-level events that mention the headset or USB components. Device errors often point to driver conflicts or hardware recognition problems. Use this information to guide further troubleshooting. Analyzing these logs helps identify if the issue stems from driver conflicts or hardware failures, allowing targeted fixes. Many users have shared successful solutions in online communities. For instance, on Reddit, people fixed detection issues by reinstalling drivers through Device Manager and running the NGENUITY app as administrator. Additionally, keeping your operating system current is crucial, as bugs in macOS Ventura were resolved by updating to Sonoma. Looking ahead, HyperX is integrating AI-assisted troubleshooting into future NGENUITY updates for more effective solutions. Expect automatic diagnosis of detection issues, with AI identifying problems and suggesting fixes without manual steps. Key trends include automatic resolution of detection problems, seamless compatibility across platforms, and predictive maintenance to prevent issues before they occur. Cross-platform compatibility will reduce detection issues across Xbox, PlayStation, and PC systems. Future NGENUITY versions will feature these AI enhancements for better user experience.